say in the sketch alongside you have AD. Ne? Let's go and check AD. So you have from A to D, ne?
Which is 7p.
Which is 7 parts. Right?
Yes.
Is to what? Is to BD, ne?
Yeah.
Is to BD, which is 4 parts.
Yes.
Everyone is happy with that one.
Yes.
Okay. Now the other person that they also gave us, it's DG. Ne? You come and look at DG. D to G. Ne? This one can be 3R. It's 2R.
2R.
It's 2R. So this one goes with this one. Okay? So this is 2R. It goes with GC. This is going to be 5R. Ne? This is going to be 5R. Yes. Okay, now what's different from what we've been doing? We've been dealing with one line. Okay?
Yes.
Now the only difference is that now we are going to get this ratio of this line. This line, you see this line, it has 4 things now.
Yes.
This one, it has 1 thing. Like there's nothing special there. This one also has 1 thing. There's nothing. But with this one, with the 4, then it means you can have multiple ratios. So we need to take these ratios that we have here and then give them to this person because it doesn't have any ratios. The line AC doesn't have any ratios, but this line can have. So I want us to try something like this. I don't want us to take them out per se, but I want us to highlight the triangles that have parallel lines. So we have this triangle here.
Okay.
You see this one, Nagish?
Yes.
And then we have this line, which is parallel to this one, Nagish. For the fact that these 2 lines are parallel to each other, it means this one and this one, they're going to be in proportion, meaning the ratio of this side and the ratio of that side, they're going to be equal.
Yeah.
So what does that mean? In other words, to us, what does it mean to us? Let's talk about to us. It means this can be 7K.
Yes.
It's 7 is to 7. The only difference is the variable.
Yes.
So this one is 7K. This one is going to be what to be 4K. Yes, Mutladze.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
I wanted to ask.
Yeah, you can ask.
There was something confusing me with this type of triangle.
Yeah.
Is it right if I can also say FG is parallel to ED?
Yes.
FG is parallel to DE. You are correct. That's the next triangle that we are going to use. In fact, Mr. Mwedi, the other thing that is going to give you an idea of the parallel, the triangles that you are going to be using are the ratios. If you just follow the ratios, you'll see this one. I'm going to highlight it with a different color. But let's finish this one. I get what you're asking. This, I can't just write it because it was not there, Mr. Mwedi. I want this part that I just written here. This was not there. I need to tell them where does it come from. This one, I get it from, if they ask me why did I write this on the diagram from the statement? Why did I write this one from the statement?
Yes.
But this new one that I just written here is not on the statement. It's something new. Yes. So I'm going to tell them what I have. AD all over DB. This is going to be equaling to AE. Ne? To get why?
Yes.
AE all over
EF.
If it gets confusing, we'll take out the triangles. But let's try to highlight the triangles and see if can we see it. If we can't see it, then we'll try something else. So what do we have? We say this is line parallel one side of a triangle. It's fine.
Yes.
Now, but remember, we know what are the ratios of AD is to BD.
Yes.
It means which we have 7 all over 4, which is going to be equal to AE. AE all over what? All over EF. So that's why I was able to write this. I was able to write it, but I also need to say it on the statement because it was not there. It's new. I'm done with this triangle ABF. Now, Mweti was asking a very important question to say, Marase, does this matter? Yeah, we have another one. Look at this one, Mweti. We have triangle. We have this triangle here, which is triangle. It's triangle what?
It's DEF. DEC. Deck.
It's DEC. This one.
Yes, it's just deck.
Yeah, this one, Mr. Mweti, if you can check here, it also has parallel lines. I want these 2 lines, this one and this one. Then it means which this side, this one that I'm re-highlighting here, is going to be in proportion with this side here. In terms of this R here. Meaning in other words, Mweti, look at this. I have a right to tell them, which, yeah, guys, this is going to be 2x Is that color visible? I'm not sure. It's visible. Try using green. Is it visible?
Visible.
I've used blue. Paper, let's use paper. This is going to be, I'm using a different variable from moving from this side to that side. Then I have 2x.
Erase that one and start over. Say because in purple is visible.
It's not visible. Okay. So I have, if I go this side, I agree this one is 2. You see this one is 2. You see this is 2r. Amish. When it gets to this side, it can be 2r. It can be 2, but it can be 2r. It can be any other lead. So we can put it this way. It's 2 is to 5. That one. But we need to come up with an alphabet for it because this one and this one, they're in proportion with one another because of this parallel line here.
Yes.
These parallel lines here, they gave us those two things here. So we have this line which is parallel to this one. Undo. Wait. So
Sir.
this is 2x, né?
Mm.
This is
Perfect.
5x.
What you could.
Yes.
That one is still fine, Amish.
Yes.
But the 5x wait and the 2x, they are not there. We need to put them with something. How do you put them? You put them because of the parallel line. The reason why you are putting them is because of the parallel line. Otherwise, they were not there. That is why I said the only reason why we have proportionality is so that we can give someone something that they didn't originally have. Because proportionality has that ability. So what am I going to say to them now? I am going to tell them something like this. I'm going to say, okay, guys, look at this. True story. I can write it as currently this one is GC all over GD.
Yeah, FC mistake.
Well, let's use the same the one that they gave us here. So we can say we have teaching
Yes.
all over GC.
Which goes to EF.
So I started with what? With GD. Ne?
Yes.
GD. It means we're just going to go with what? With EF. Ne?
Yes.
All over. All over FC. Okay, what is the reason behind this? Is because we have a line parallel one
side of a triangle.
Side of a triangle. Like this, Amish. And then, but now we know what is this one, Amish. This one, it's 2 is to what? Is to 5. Meaning, what you know, EF is to FC is going to be 2 is to what? Is to 5. Okay, what are we looking for? We are looking for AF. No? So now we're looking for AF. Let me write it here. I want to write it. We're looking for AF. AF, yeah, I want to write it here. Okay. So now we're looking for AF. We're going to tell them with AF, né? All over FC Barcelona. Né?
Yes.
Let's go and check AF. You come and check AF. So you say, okay, but from A to F,
11K.
From A to F, you're saying is what?
11K.
It's 11K. Né?
Yeah.
How did you get 11K? We have 7 plus 4. Né? So we have 11K all over. FC, we don't have K here,
yes.
But we do have what? 5X.
But you can relate them.
That's the problem.
Yes.
But they do have a relation. Who's relating them? It's what? It's EF. Yes. Because EF has X, it also has what? 4K.
Yes.
Then you come and say, okay, let's talk about the relation that these two cousins have. It's Kazi and Kaz. Yes. So it's EF. What does EF give us? EF give us 2x is equaling to what? 4k. We divide by 2, no?
Yes.
And then what does it say? It says x is going to be equal to what? To 2k. Meaning what you can come and say, but now instead of x here, what can we put?
2k, which is 10k.
We can come and change this percentage.
Yes.
So instead of x, we're going to put what? 2k.
Yes, 2k.
Then it says with this thing is going to be given as 11k.
All over 10k.
All over 10K. 5 multiplied by 2k. Ne?
Yes.
K and k, they are going to divide each other. And then it says we have 11 all over 10. That is our ratio.
Yes.